Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Britannia Inspires. I'm your girl Britannia. So before we get into anything with this video, guys, just please give this video a big thumbs up, a big fat thick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button right there. Just turn on your post notification, guys, so you can be alarmed whenever I post a brand new video, guys. Jump in the comment section down below, guys. Tell me if you like it and all of that. So last time I asked you guys if you want to see me do the eyebrows, and now I gave you the eyebrows. I give you the eyebrow tutorial with the full B tutorial, right? So here we go now. I drew our eyebrow with the ushas brow dip, and I dropped one drop of the rose gold elixir inside of that brow dip, so the brows will be glossy. Even when the brow dip dries, it will still be glossy. Trust me. I learned that on my own, and I really do dig that. After I learned it, I will never stop doing it. And I'm now cleaning it up with the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm using a brush that I got from a drugstore, and this brush is the only survivor from the pack. Trust me. I am now doing the other brows. Or eyebrows are naturally arched, so there's no problem with drawing this brow. I really do like her face. Her face is nice. And oh yeah, my model for today is Telly. You can go follow her on Instagram at Kayla Green. She will follow back, guys. She's fun, trust me. I'm now doing these brows, and they're really easy to draw. Like, they're coming out so easy. They're not giving me any problem, anything like that. Fast. I just zoom this up so you guys can see much more better. I'm now filling out our eyelid with the very same brush and the very same concealer, guys, just to apply the eyeshadow. I just blend it out, everything with the beauty blender, and I'm now going in with my NYX Away We Glow eyeshadow palette, and I'm using medium brown in that palette. And now I am doing the other eyelid. I'm using my Profusion brush that I got from my Profusion set, and this is the color that we'll be using. I'm using my Black Radiance blush just to apply over our eyelid. I'm not applying a lot. I'm not doing any dramatic eyeshadow, guys. I'm not into that lot of thing that's going on the eyelid. Honestly, I will do it because I've done it before, but I'm not into it. I have to be in that mood to be doing that. So now I just went over the eyelid with the CoverGirl eyeshadow palette that I have. That's why it's that deep and have a little bit shimmery on the eyelid. And now I'm just priming her face. Well, I'm just rubbing some rose gold elixir on her face. I use the rose gold elixir. I use the HD skin primer, LA Girls HD Profusion skin primer, and I also use the Black Radiance True Refining skin primer. Now applying her foundation. It is in Fit Me shade 368, same shade as I am. I'm using this foundation brush to apply the foundation. I'm spreading it evenly across her face. I always go from inwards, outwards, so it blends perfectly with the hairline and all the the end part of her faces, if that makes sense. But I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm blend that out with my beauty blender just to get it even. Now I'm going under her eyes, in the highlight section, on her cheek, on her chin, in her center of her forehead, and her nose with my Black Radiance my Black Opal foundation stick. And I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender, blending that out evenly, because we all have to blend properly for that to like not crease or anything. We don't drag it, guys. We want not to drag the beauty blender with the product across the face. We need to tap that gently into the skin. You just need to tap it into the skin and make sure that it is just sitting right in place and perfectly. We just want it to sit right in place perfectly, and we need to go around the face, like around that, so we don't have any harsh edges, harsh lines, like the harsh lines that are oftentimes there. We want that not to happen. I always just bring the highlight up a little on the side of the forehead. Now I'm blending out the chin and I blend out the forehead. So now I'm just going in with her contour, and I'm using the Black Radiance contour kit in the shade deep warm. I'm just going in with that. I use the very same brush to just apply that I used to clean up the eyebrows. Does no harm, despite the fact they're different shade with the concealer and this. Does no harm, guys. I'm now lining out her nose just to get it straight, and I am now going to blend that out. She's looking up, right? She's fun. I really do love her company. I am just setting the highlight now with my black opal setting powder, and I use this all the time on darker shade, guys. If you guys watch my previous videos, I tell you guys all the time, I use black opal setting powder all the time on darker shades. If I'm doing person's lighter, I use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So now I am going to blend out her contour, guys, and I'm just going to use my Real Technique contour blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that upwards. That contour, I'm going to just bring that upwards on her cheekbones so it blends in, like blend in, and I'm going over her forehead with that. We contour, guys. In the makeup world, we contour a section to let it like shrink a little, if you guys understand what I mean, and we highlight a section, just let it enhance. So if you guys did not know, well, yeah, me, I told you guys that. So I just contour her cheekbones so it just gives it a look as if it's synced in a little, and then our under eyes expand a little. Well, that's the trick, guys. I lined her lip with the Huda Beauty brown pencil, and I'm now using my LA Girls pencil. This is a nude color, and I'm just going to fill in the middle of her lips with that. Her lips are very thin, well, thinner than mine, so I pull it up a little like that to apply it, and I am just going to go over her lip when I'm through with this with my Shein lip gloss, clear lip gloss. It has a little sparkly in it. You guys know I love this. I've been mentioning it in my previous 2 videos. I really do love this lip gloss, like legit. I really do love this lip gloss. So I'm just blending it out evenly across her lips, and I'm just getting everything right in place. Blend out the brown pencil around her lip, and I am now using my Real Technique powder brush to go underneath her eyes with my L'Oreal press powder. I'm just going to dust that under her eyes a little, on her forehead, in all the places that I highlighted before, guys, just to enhance it. As I said, I went over her contour with the darkest brown in my NYX Away We Glow palette. She's loving it. Every time I turn my back, this is her. Look. As soon as I come back, guys, she's going to just stop all this. She's just so fun, beautiful soul. And I am using my Gucci lashes. I love this mascara. I'm using it under her eyes to apply it on her bottom lashes, and I just drag that red thing, that red blush that I put on her eyelid underneath her eyes, so there's no wing. I could draw a wing, but I chose not to, just to make it a little bit faster and easier. Well, I really do like this style. Not all the time. Wings has to be drawn, girls. Trust me. Applying that under her eyes properly so it doesn't catch her face, like her skin different from her eyelash, because that's going to really put things downhill for us. And I'm just setting her face with my Sacha Buttercup setting spray. There, it's dried. Whenever I'm not looking, this is her all hyped up in my video. I mean, girl. And I'm just highlighting her cheekbone now with a highlight from my ushas palette. This, I dig this shit so deep. Yo, I love this highlight. Like, I mean, look at that glow. It just snatches. Like, look at that glow, y'all. Look at that glow. I always use this on darker shades, like myself, all the time. I use this, and I'm just going back over with my Real Techniques powder brush just to make sure that I did everything right. That's always me, bit insecure, guys. I hope you guys really do like this video, guys. I hope you guys dig this video a lot. I hope you guys just hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, tell everyone about this, guys. Please, guys. See you until next time. See you, guys.